welcome back. So this is the LEGO Friends 2026 Horse and Baby Foal trailer. So the color is super pretty, like light green with light purple color, and we have a horse and a pony in this set. And this is Mathilde, and I love the picnic spot that Mathilde is sitting on right now. And this year we have cute frogs because before the frogs didn't really look very cute. They didn't really even have proper eyes, but now this year they became cute pets, so I'm very happy about that. And so Mathilde and Autumn is included in this set, and we also have sandwiches. And what's quite interesting is that we have Ara in this set, which is Alia's dog, but Alia is not in this set, but somehow Ara is. So anyway, that's very cute. And we also have a horse saddle pad and also a saddle. So a saddle pad is supposed to be underneath a saddle, but with Legos, we can't put saddle pad and saddle at the same time. So that's kind of sad. So this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.